AC runs continuously, don't you think that bacteria, molds and other foreign particles can harm it during this period?
Of course they can, but my AC doesn't get affected.
And how is that possible?
That's with the LG's auto clean function.
Auto clean function. What is that?
Well, it's a special function devised by LG wherein the heat exchanger gets dried up automatically so that humidity along with the mold and bacteria gets eliminated.
Wow, that's nice. And what about the bad odor?
Yes, definitely it eliminates the bad odor as well. It locks the mold and bacteria and doesn't let the surroundings turn smelly.
Great! Now we need not worry about our health or even our AC's health. LG DualCool Air Conditioner.
Life's good!